just unlocked the pack eyes. I'm level 8 and I have gotten the skin for the effect. And also gotten the branch. Then I finally goodbye to the pack ice. Then using this baby. Now I have my branch that I can hit people. Like animation on any of my weapons, only skins on the game, unlike the knife. I have no favorite outnumber. We get outnumbered and it is crazy. I just want to play normally today and I just come all the way here and it's 4:02 p.m. What the? I have not the knife though. But oh shit. This is a really tricky one because the red one can be broken with the knife. Also, I don't know how to work. No, I died with a knife. It's really tough. Well, I'm gonna fight this crazy ass psycho. Fight this. The fuck? I can hear some sounds. But I'm gonna skip all the way. But yeah, this is all the video. Very short video, I guess. I just told you yeah, like I opened them I woke up in 6. Yeah, I woke up in 6. I didn't sleep at all, so yeah. I'm 6 again, so I'm gonna lock all my time. So bye. I mean, nobody too. Bye bye.